everybody. Hello, hey, hi, it's me, Mr. 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐒𝐂𝐑𝐈𝐁𝐄. And in today's video, I am headed to the Best Buy in Union Square to fix my iPhone. Why? Because it was acting like this. Now, why, you may ask, was it acting like this? Because I did not have the vibration dampener on my Quadlock. I'm gonna come out and tell you guys right away. If you do not have a vibration dampener for your Quadlock, you are putting your phone, I don't know about Androids or whatever other phones, but I know for a fact you're putting your iPhone at risk, especially if you have a bigger bike like the CB650R. When I had my CB3, this happened to me once, and at that time they did not have the vibration dampener out, so I just had to get a new phone. But then when I brought a whole new Quadlock setup, the Quadlock plus the wireless charging head for my CB650, I totally forgot about the vibration dampener and my phone went haywire. I only had it for about 2 days and I was going about 100, you know, from like 80 or 100 or so. And at that point there's a lot of vibration. And what the vibration does is it actually pushes magnets out of line in your phone. So when your phone is there sitting there strapped in and safe, all that vibration is literally shaking through the phone and shaking everything up and messing things, and it's uncalibrating your camera. So if you do not have a vibration dampener, I would suggest you go and get one and just save yourself some time, some money, and some frustration, because having a camera that looks like this is not fun. I have the vibration dampener on my bike now, and it's a beautiful piece. It's so simple, so small, but you know, I don't know the science and I can't of course see everything working, but it seems to be doing a good job. Sometimes when I'm riding fast, I put my hand on the phone to test it out to see, you know, if I can feel the vibration. Yes, I still feel it, but it doesn't seem to be as much as I feel while I'm holding the handlebars. And every time I hop off my bike and I check my phone, my camera looks good. So if you guys, I'm just gonna reiterate this again and make sure you guys, you know, don't run into this problem. Go and get a vibration dampener. I think at most it's $30, very inexpensive, but the amount of money you save, the amount of headache you save is worth it. Guys, enjoy the rest of this video. Look out for more content that's coming in. We're gonna do some more high-speed stuff, you know, some fun stuff going on. But like, comment, subscribe. Mr. 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐒𝐂𝐑𝐈𝐁𝐿. I'm out of here.